Most gardening advice starts the same way. Pick a spot with full sun. And if your yard doesn't have it, well, most beginners just give up before they start. But here's what I want you to know. Some of the best vegetables you can grow actually prefer to be out of the blazing sun. In fact, if you try to grow them in full sun, they bolt, turn bitter, or just flat out fail. So if you've got a shady yard, a shaded balcony, or a spot under a big tree, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the best garden vegetables for shade, what shade actually means, and exactly how to grow each one. Let's get into it. Real quick, let's get clear on terms, because shade isn't one thing. Partial shade, 3 to 6 hours of direct sun per day. Full shade, fewer than 3 hours of direct sun per day. Most vegetables on today's list will thrive in partial shade. A handful can handle full shade. I'll tell you which is which for each one. One more thing. Bright, indirect lights all day is surprisingly productive. If your spot is shaded but open to the sky, you're in better shape than you think. First up, and probably the best shade vegetable you can grow, is lettuce. Lettuce hates heat. In full sun during summer, it bolts within weeks. That means it shoots up, flowers, and turns bitter almost overnight. But in partial shade, lettuce stays tender, mild, and productive for weeks longer than it would in a sunny bed. Shade tolerance. Partial to full shade, as little as 2 to 3 hours of sun is fine. Quick tip. Sow seeds every 2 weeks for a continuous harvest. In the shade, you can keep lettuce going well into the summer when your sunny spot neighbors have already given up. Next is spinach, another cool season green that flat out performs better when it's not baking in the afternoon sun. Shade extends the season significantly. In a shaded spot, spinach stays sweet and doesn't bolt as fast, giving you more time to harvest. Its shade tolerance is partial shade. 3 to 4 hours of sun is ideal. Here's a quick tip. Harvest the outer leaves and let the center keep growing. You can get multiple cuts from one planting if you don't let it overheat. Kale is one of the toughest vegetables you can grow, and it handles shade better than most people realize. It won't produce quite as heavily in the shade as it does in the full sun, but it will still produce. And in hot climates, shade can actually improve the flavor by keeping the leaves from getting too tough or bitter. Its shade tolerance is partial shade. Aim for at least 3 to 4 hours to keep it from being bitter. Kale gets sweeter after a frost, so plant it in a shaded spot for fall harvest and you'll be amazed at the flavor. Swiss chard might be the most underrated vegetable on this list. It's gorgeous, it's productive, and it handles shade really well. Unlike spinach and lettuce, chard is also heat tolerant, so it gives you flexibility across seasons. In a partially shaded spot, chard can produce from spring all the way through fall in many climates. Its shade tolerance is partial shade. 3 to 4 hours works well. Here's a quick tip. Harvest stalks from the outside in and the plant keeps producing. One planting can last you an entire season. Arugula is fast, easy, and shade friendly. It germinates in about a week, starts producing in 3 to 4 weeks, and it's one of those crops where shade is actually a feature rather than a compromise. In full sun, arugula turns peppery and sharp almost immediately. In shade, it stays milder and more versatile for a longer window. Its shade tolerance is partial shade, even 2 to 3 hours works. Here's a quick tip. Let a few plants go to flower at the end of the season. The flowers are edible and mildly peppery, and the plant will self-seed for a free crop next spring. If you've ever tried to grow parsley in full sun and had it bolt or struggle in summer heat, shade is your fix. Parsley is a biennial that does well in partial shade. It won't go to seed as fast, and it stays more productive and lush compared to a full sun location in the heat of the summer. Its shade tolerance is partial shade. 3 to 4 hours is the sweet spot. Parsley is slow to germinate, sometimes 3 weeks. Soak seeds overnight before planting to speed things up. Last on the list, but worth including, is peas. They're a cool season crop that actually benefits from afternoon shade, especially in warmer climates. Peas don't like heat. Morning sun plus afternoon shade can extend your pea harvest by weeks compared to a full sun location. Its shade tolerance is partial shade. Morning sun is ideal, afternoon shade is a bonus. Here's a quick tip. Plant them early. Peas can handle frost. Get them in as soon as the ground is workable in the spring, and let the shade do the work of keeping them cool as temperatures rise. So there you go. 7 vegetables that don't just survive in the shade, they actually do well there. Lettuce, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula, parsley, and peas. If you've got a shady spot in your yard, you've got a garden. The key takeaway, shade gardening isn't a consolation prize. For cool season crops especially, it can actually be an advantage. Longer harvests, better flavor, less stress on your plants. And if you're just getting started with gardening, I have a video right here that talks about different gardening setups and the costs and benefits of all of them. And if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every week for beginner gardeners who want real practical advice without the fluff. I'll see you in the next one.